Hello students. Yesterday we have done till question number 2. Okay. Now we will start question number 3. Okay. Before proceeding question number 3, let's recap some concept. First one is there. What is meant by set? Okay. Set is a collection of well-defined object. Okay. Now start question number 3. What is given here? Write any two sets by using listing method and by rule method. Okay, we know that listing method is also known as the roster form. Okay, we know that the for writing sets in mathematics we have two methods. First one is roster method and second one is rule method. Okay, so here we have given listing methods whose another name is roster method. Okay, so we have to write any two sets in both the methods, roster as well as rule method. Okay, so then consider some sets. For example, let's consider first the set of divisor of 12. Okay, let I am considering A. Okay, let A be the set of divisors of 12. Let A be the set of divisors of 12. What does it mean? We have to write that elements by which 12 is to be divided. Okay, so which elements divide the 12? It means that what are the factors of the 12? 1 can divide 12, 2 can divide 12, as well as 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. These are the divisors of 12. So that's that number we have to write in the set. Okay, in roster form how we will write? Okay, we will write first take A as a set of divisor of 12. Okay, after that we put curly brackets. Okay, in curly brackets we have to put divisors of 12. What are they? 1. Okay, 1 divides 12. 2 divides 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 3 divides 12. 3 4s are 12, and again 4 and 6 and 12 itself. Okay, these 6 numbers are the divisor of 12. What does it mean? That these 6 numbers can divide 12. Okay, we have written the this in a roster form. Okay, now we are writing in rule method. Okay, rule method is also known as the set builder form. Okay, so right here, what is A is equal to curly bracket. In rule method, as I discussed, in rule method we considered some variable for denoting that set. So here I am considering x. Okay, A is the set of x, and the standing line is called as the such that. A is the set of x such that x is a divisor of 12. Okay, so in rule method we will write like that. Okay, we considered some variable which will denote the our set. Okay, here we considered x. Okay, x is a divisor of 12. It means that x contains the value who can divide the 12. Okay, understood everyone? So in that way we will write these sets in roster form as well as in rule method. Okay, so first we have done. Okay, we name here I. Okay, 1, and second, first set we consider the set of the divisor of 12. Now I am considering the set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, let in first step in first question we have considered the set as A. Okay, here we are considering B. Let B be the set of prime number from 1 to 20. As we know, from 1 to 20 how many there are prime numbers? Okay, first read what is meant by prime number. Prime number are the numbers which cannot be divided by the any number. It can be divided by 1 or itself. So we write in roster form first. What are they? 1 3 5 7 9. 9 is or not? 9 not. Okay, 1 3 5 7 11 13 and 17 and 19, these are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. In roster form we will write as b is equal to, in curly brackets, what are they? 1, oh so 1 is not the prime number, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, so we will write here 2. Okay, prime number starts from the 2, 2 is the only even prime number as we know. Okay, so prime number starts from the 2, 2 3 5 7 9 is no, because 9 is divided by the 3, 3 3 is 9, 11 13 17 19. Okay, these are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, now we will write in rule method. Okay, again we will consider a variable who will denote the prime numbers from 1 to 20. So now we are considering b is equal to b. Again we are in first we consider the x, so again we are considering here x. B is the set of x, the standing line is called as the such that. B is the set of x such that x is a prime number. Okay, I wrote here prime number, but from where to where we have to discuss here. Okay, so we will write here as x. Okay, from where to where? From 1 to 20, so we will write here 1 to 20. Okay, in curly bracket. Okay, this means that x should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than is equal to 20. So x is a prime number from 1 to 20, so that's why we keep here greater than equal to. Okay, so here less than equal to, it means that it can be considered 1 and it can also be considered as 20. Okay, understood everyone? Okay, now move on. Question number 4. What is given here? Write the following sets using listing method. Okay, listing method means roster form. Okay, listing method means roster form. We have to write these sets which has been given in the statements in the roster form. Okay, all the months in the Indian solar year. As we know, months in the in year, what are these? January, February, March, April, these are the months of year. Okay, but in Indian solar year month are different. As we know, months of Indian solar year are Chaitra, Vaisakh, Jyesht, Asad. So we have to write here. Okay, first we will consider a set. Okay, so we will how to write this? Let firstly, in first step you have to consider alphabets for denoting that set. Okay, so I am here considering A. Okay, in next question I will consider B, then C, then D, then E, and so on. Okay, so in like that way you have to consider. Let A be the set. Okay, you have to write in starting let A be the set. Okay, in second let B be the set, let C be the set, let D be the set, let E be the set, in like that way. And after that you have to copy the question. Okay, what is here? Let A be the set. After that you have to copy the question. Let A be the set of what is given in the question, all months in the solar Indian solar year. Okay, you have to copy that. Let A be the set of all month in Indian solar year. Okay, like that way. So you have to write here in roster form. In roster form we do not consider any alphabet any variable. Okay, let here A be the set of all months in the solar Indian solar year. Okay, what are they? They are Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyesht, Ashad, after that Shravan, Bhadrapad, okay, Ashwin, Ravichandran Ashwin, that is not, only Ashwin. And Kartik, Faye, Margashish, Posh, okay, Mag, and Falgun. Okay, in like that way you have to write here. Okay, are you able to see here? Okay, let's move on. Question number 2. What is given related in the word complement? As we see here in the first question, firstly we have to consider any set. Okay, any alphabet as a set. In first question we considered A, so here we will consider B. Okay, so we will write as let. What we have to write? Let B be the set. Let C be the set. Okay, let B be the set of. After that, in writing this, what you have to do? You have to copy the question. What is given here? Letters in the word complement. So you have to write let B be the set of letters in the word complement. Okay, in like that way you have to write. Okay, here we have considered B as a set of word in the B is a set of word in the letters in the word of complement. Okay, so we will write as. Okay, in starting when we are studying about sets, we consider one property of set. That what was that property? That property was that in writing the elements, okay, writing the elements of the set, we do not repeat the elements. Okay, so here we will write as. Firstly we have to write letters. Okay, what are the letters of word complement? C, O, M, P, L, E, M, E, and T. Okay, so we have to write in individual. Okay, C, O, M, P, L, E. Okay, C, O, M, P, L, E. After that M is coming. Okay, we have to write. No, we have written here M, so that's why we do not repeat any letters or any element in the set. Okay, repetition is not allowed in the set. Okay, you have to remember that repetition is not allowed in the set. You have to remember that repetition is not allowed in the set. What repetition? Repetition of element. Okay, here M is coming twice, so we will not write. Okay, so let's remove this. M we will not write. After that E is coming. Okay, in our set E has been come, so that's why we will eliminate M and E also. Okay, so we will not write M and E twice. Any of the element can't be repeated in the set. Okay, so after that N has come in here. Okay, N has not come here, so we will consider N. Okay, T also has not come here, so we will write as T. Okay, these are the expression of the letters in the word complement in roster form. Okay, let's move on. Third question. What is given here? Set of human sensory organs. Okay, so again as we do, we will consider alphabets. Let C be the set of human sensory organs. Let C be the set of human sensory organs. What are the human sensory organs? How much are they? 3 or 5? 5. There are 5 human sensory organs. What are they? Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. So we will write as C. Nose, eye, ears, tongue, and skin. Okay, these 5 are the human sensory organs. What is their set of prime numbers from 1 to 20? Okay, we have to write set of prime number from 1 to 20 as we have written here. So we will copy like that. Let D be the set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so here d is equal to 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. We have done it in question number 3. Okay, so last question of the day, what is given here? Name of the continents of the world. As we know, there are how many continents in the world? 7. Okay, and how many ocean in the world? 5. So here, as we do, we will consider the alphabets. We have considered till D. Now we consider E. Let E be the set of names of continent of the world. Okay, E is equal to curly brackets. First we will start from our Asia. After that Europe. Okay, Europe. After that Africa, and Australia, and after that Antarctica. We will write first which is individual, and after that we will take America. Okay, we know that the America is divided into 2 subcontinents. What are these? First one is North America and second one is South America. Okay, North America, South America. Okay, so by this question we have completed till question number 4, and question number 5 I will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you for today.